Hey traders, welcome back to Sunday Pips. Today I'm reviewing last week's pairs. Euro CHF. Yeah, remember how last week I said I was going to wait for FOA to close above this lower high, making it bullish, and then wait for a pullback to go long. We shifted structure right here, closed above this lower high, and we also had a pullback. This way we go down to the lower time frames. Let's go to the 1 hour since it looks the cleanest. 1 hour went bearish to create this 4-hour pullback, just like how I said, and we shifted structure right here, closed above this 1 hour lower high. I had my alarm placed to let me know that we're shifting, and we also had an engulfing right here, my entry, but I never took this trade because on the daily it meant that I was going to be buying next to this bearish engulfing. It's not ideal, and I ended up missing this whole move to the upside. Take profit 1 was hit perfectly, and the final take profit, then price reversed. Next, Euro GBP. Oh yeah, I gotta remove the risk to reward since I never took the trade. And guys, I'm trading on a demo account. A 17-year-old can't have a live account. I mean, technically you can't if somebody older than 18 or 18 opens the account. But as of right now, I'm just practicing until I turn 18. Euro GBP, just like Euro CHF, I was waiting for a pullback into this area, shift of structure on the lower time frames to then look for buys. We had the pullback on the 4 hour. Let's go down to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we were creating higher highs and higher lows, higher high, and then we shifted bearish to create this pullback on the 4 hour. Lower high, lower low. Let me zoom in. I don't think I can see that. This right here was the lower low. This up here, the lower high. We closed under. Yes, even a small closure like this is also a shift of structure. This right here then became the lower low. This right here, the lower high, and we closed above it, making 1 hour bullish. And we had a beautiful engulfing on the 2 hour, I think. Yeah, engulfing right here, beautiful engulfing. Put my stop loss under the 30-minute higher low. This was the higher high, higher low. Placing my stop loss under. Ideally, you want to place your stop loss 10 pips or more under the higher low, starting from the wick. So ideally, you want to do this, starting from this wick. Now 14, add 10. That's 24. This right here will be your ideal stop loss. But I don't think in this case it would have mattered since you would have been stopped out right here either way. But the overall direction was right. Take profit 1 was hit perfectly, and the final take profit, AUD NZD. AUD NZD, what was I looking for? Yeah, AUD NZD, I anticipated for a shift of structure on the 4 hour. I was looking for something like this. New higher high, shift of structure, close under the previous structure point, pull back, look for sales. 4 hour did shift the structure. We were creating higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, high, and then right here body candle closed under the previous structure point, making 4 hour bearish. This is what I was waiting for, and then was also waiting for a pullback and then that shift of structure on the 1 hour to then look for sales. We never had that pullback. Technically we did. A wick is also a pullback. If we go down to the 1 hour, you can see it more clearly. I mean, it doesn't even look clean here. Small pullback, but I would have preferred if the pullback happened like this, where the candle bodies actually like pull up, not just a wick. We never had that, and I never took any trades on this pair. But take profit 1 was hit perfectly, and the final take profit. I don't know what's wrong with the market nowadays. There's like massive candles everywhere. Euro GBP, huge candle. Euro CHF, this huge candle to the downside. On all the other markets too, I think. Probably has to do with Donald Trump being the president. I don't know. Yeah, so guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to know what pairs I'm gonna pick next week, drop turn on the notification bell and subscribe, and I'll see you there. Peace.